Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to turn on Schwab Debit Card alerts. Open the website, then log in using your login ID and password. Once logged in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow beside your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that says My Profile. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the Alert Settings tab. On the Alert Settings tab, you will see an option for banking and debit cards. Click on Banking and Debit Cards. Under Banking and Debit Cards, you will see options on where you want to receive the alerts, and how often you want to receive them. Click on the tick box beside the options. In this video, we chose to select all the available options. After selecting your chosen alerts, review the following details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the Save button. That's how you turn on Schwab Debit Card alerts. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.